What's going on, guys? Mike from Go Detailer Go here, and
Yes.
I swear we practiced it, and he said, I'm Gus from Go Detailer Go, but he's 6. All right, so we're gonna tell you which one of these Washmitts sucks. But before we do that, don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. All right, so we're also going to be doing an unboxing. All right, guys, so remember, this is an unfiltered, real-world review. I'm not sponsored by any of these people. I don't want to be sponsored by any of these people. I want to be able to give real-world reviews. So I just bought about 6 of these just to test them out, see how they did. And in this case, if we want to be negative, they suck. But let me tell you why they suck. 1, they're too big. And you would think that's a good thing, but in my case, in my experience, it's a bad thing because it absorbs so much freaking water that now when I'm trying to push it around the car, it feels kind of labored, you know? Versus this bad boy and this bad boy. I've had both of these since I started my detailing business. They still work great. They clean up really nice. They're the perfect size. When you dip them in the bucket, you wring them a little bit, they hold the perfect amount of water and they glide perfectly. Now on that note, I never put my hand in my mitts. I don't know about you guys. I don't do this. I prefer doing this because then I can do that little number, flip it around.
And you do this for this one, then? Yeah,
but for this one, he's right, for this one, I did have to put it in my hand because if I didn't, I would drop it. So yeah. On a positive note for this Washmitt, it's really cheap. These are about 20 bucks. I believe this is like 5 bucks. So really cheap. Really great Washmitts for wheels, which to be honest is what I bought them for to begin with. So I guess they're serving their purpose. They're going to go ahead and serve their purpose as my wheel Washmitts, and these will continue to be my premiums. This is the Microfiber Madness, and I have no idea what this is called, but I'll put it in the link in the description. Excuse me. What are we unboxing today? You need some help?
No.
He wants to do it. All right, show us how strong you are. Use those muscles, boy. There you go. All right, you just need a little motivation. All right, so what are we unboxing today? Xpress interior cleaner, and yeah, this one's wet. So, dang. All right, first package I ever get from Car Supply's warehouse. It's leaking. Whoever put the tape on this, you suck. Do it right next time. Just kidding, I still love you guys over there. So Xpress interior cleaner, as you can see, very, very sudsy. I don't know if they did that on purpose. No, I know they didn't. But this is a great all-around product. I enjoy it because it's safe to use on everything. It's not too strong. It's just right. Great combination with the Ninja. If you like those Ninja stars, shout out to Serranos for showing me those. Check out his channel as well, Serranos Mobile Detailing. He's trying to get to 10,000 subs, guys. Go sub. All right, what's the next item?
Bubble!
All right, we got the purple. Not purple clean though. This is P&S Brakebuster, and whoever taped it, they taped it the same way. This one didn't leak. I don't know why. This one did, this one didn't. I've never seen this little pattern. Yes, it looks cool, but it didn't work. So continue to put this tape around the cap instead of this cutesy little pattern. Don't do it. It didn't work. So anyways, Brakebuster. Man, I feel like I've talked about Brakebuster almost in every video. That's how much I love this. I have multiple videos talking about how great Brakebuster is. And what makes it great is the fact that it's only 11 cents an ounce, guys. And you can dilute this. Now once you dilute this, I dilute 4 to 1. Guys at Rack Company say they diluted 10 to 1. I guess they're cleaning clean cars. You're not going to get anything clean with 10 to 1. Not if it's dirty. So 4 to 1 will get the job done. I personally like to use it out of an IK Foam Pro 12 or just a spray bottle. But when I'm feeling crazy, I just pop the bottle off and splash everything. I ain't kidding. I do that. I don't do that. All right. What's next? Well, you ain't even had no sugar this morning. How are you so excited? All right. Energy, man. He's got energy for days. He's passionate about detailing. So these little applicators right here, which he just dropped one, these are all for rubber trim. So we use all these for rubber trim. We put P&S shine on these bad boys. I don't know, count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's right, we have 5 of these. So we use these for our shine on trim pieces. Really good product, versatile. I choose to use them for that, but they're also really good for ceramic coatings. Speaking of ceramic coatings, I think it's what's coming out of the box next.
Ding.
Yep. Ooh, this is beat up too. Man, what is going on, Cars Supplies Warehouse? I got 3 items. Did this even come in a... This didn't even come in a little plastic bag. Alright, Car Supplies Warehouse, come on now. Y'all are killing me. I've gotten $100 at least from Car Supplies Warehouse, and this is the first one. It doesn't come professionally packed. But, you know, hopefully this is not a trick. So this is what I'm talking about. Box is beat up. Anyways, Crystal Serum Light is a staple here. I've been using it since I started my detailing career. I use it for folks that want 3-year ceramic coatings. This product is advertised at 3 to 5, but I don't think it'll do the whole 5, not without EXO. So I play it safe. I use it for 3-year ceramic coatings, and I always tell my customers to come in at least twice a year to get the CV4. I believe it's called CV4. It's their top coat. It's G-Technic's top coat, and that keeps the coating nice and strong. Also, iron decon is another great thing to do for the coating customers. A nice iron decon in case their coating is getting clogged up. So that's a good service to offer if you see poor performance. Also, I had another thing for y'all, but I forgot. Maybe it'll come back. What else we got? Alright, so AM Details Fresh Bubble Gum. This is usually how everything from Car Supplies Warehouse comes to you. Packed really nice like this. Gus wants to help. Hold on, dude. Patience. Alright, patience, my boy. Alright, so you see how this is wrapped up? That's usually how everything else is wrapped up. So, yeah, shout out to whoever wrapped this one. It might have been the same person. Maybe he was tired when he did these. I don't know. This usually comes in a little bag like this, not just thrown in the box. And these all usually come in a bag like this as well. Nice and taped up. Not sure what happened, but let's talk about AM Details Fresh Bubblegum Air Freshener. So I had coconut, I had banana, no one liked it. This was the one I really liked, but I really want to step up my air freshener game. So if you guys have an air freshener you can recommend, let me know in the comments so I can buy it and test it. Alright, what else we got in there that we haven't already used? Oh man, we got everything. Alright guys, so that's this version of the unboxing. We are done. Gustavo, you're supposed to say peace out.
Peace.
That's his catchphrase, man. Like alright, so this is Mike from Go Detailer Go, telling you to subscribe and
Peace.
peace. Alright guys, y'all have a good one.